tagged image file format .TIF. It is a high-quality image used for scans. Windows Photo Viewer works, but if it has multiple pages, use a dedicated TIFF viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's scroll the pages. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical TIF data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. The TIF format is handled as a raster image file type. Its internal logic is dictated by the tagged image file format rules. A TIF or TIFF file is a tagged image file format, a raster graphics format used for storing images, including photographs and line art. It is popular among graphic artists, photographers, and publishers. TIF files are known for their ability to store high-quality images with lossless compression, making them suitable for archiving and professional use. Conversion to JPG is common for web use. TIFF files can use various compression algorithms, including LZW, JPEG, and ZIP, or no compression at all. They can store multiple images in a single file and support different color spaces, such as RGB, CMYK, and grayscale. The file format includes tags that store metadata about the image, such as resolution, color profile, and copyright information. Conversion to JPG involves lossy compression. The most trusted opener for the TIF file is consistently Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Inc. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows can preview many raster images, but detailed edits require dedicated image software. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the TIF file and select Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If the TIF file is still giving you trouble, relax. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common TIF failure areas. First, use Alternative Viewer. Open the file using a universal image viewer like IrfanView, XNView, or an image editor like Adobe Photoshop for multi-page support. Next, check for compression. If the file fails to load, check if the file uses LZW or CCITT compression and ensure your viewer supports those algorithms. Finally, convert to PNG JPG. Use an image editor to convert the TIF file to the standard PNG or JPG format. When your tests show the TIF file is uniquely complex, the next step is using a tool that intentionally ignores strict format rules. It is worth trying. When troubleshooting fails, File Magic steps in. Its unique ability to instantly render a preview of the TIF file, even with archive errors, makes it essential. Find the tool at filemagic.com. Thank you so much for your time. Your like and subscription make a real difference to the channel. Hope to see you back soon.